Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. This is my OXO flip and fold turning spatula available on the Amazon link. I've been thinking about this for a while and I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do from start to finish, but I'm going to start by giving myself a layer of paint around the outside edges and in the center. That's Meeden paint. It's not configured to be Dutch pour material, but I do have some that has been sitting in a container that was, and I kind of want to use it. So this is the best paint spreading tool I know of, and a lot of people agree with me, and I'm the one that discovered it, so that's cool. Go down in history for having discovered a spatula. Yeah, that's my claim to fame. So my idea is to pour some paint around in a wobbly pattern and then use shovelfuls of paint instead of just dribbling them on the way I usually would directly from a bottle. I am going to do something a little different, and you can see my shovels over here, and I have usually what I do when I'm going to do a shovel full of paint is use some Anita's white metallic. In this case it's going to be that and some golden hour from Arteza, some 24 karat gold from Decor Americana, some hot orchid prism pour from Color Art, some color shifting red, it's a pink from Folk Art. I may want a little more of that Color Art hot orchid back again. Some Decor Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. And hopefully, the catalyst for making things bizarre, some of my yellow with orange in it. And I am going to go back again, throw a little bit more of that hot orchid in there. And honestly, I think I have some Anita's white metallic with a little bit of pink added to it. I'm hoping there's enough drama in there, and if there isn't, I guess I can always add some of my neon purple that has golden iridescent pearl fine added. Yes, that's the ticket right there. Then I'm going to make up another cup with some white Anitas in the bottom, and I have some purple to use up. I'm going to try and use it in 2 stages. Some electric blue from Arteza, some peacock, which is a metallic Decor Art. I'm not sure about the rest, but I'm almost out. And I think a little bit of gold there too. I was going to put some silver in. I could still put some silver in. Let's do that anyway. Silver I equate with gray, so I have a hard time putting silver in things sometimes. I really like how that peacock looked. I love that color actually. So now I'm going to put, I don't know where they came from. I'm going to put some of my supposed to be thinner paint, which is not looking terribly thinner. But that's okay. We'll figure it out. I think that's specifically a chunk. Now I would like to wait maybe a little more to blow this out, but I really can't because I want to put my shovels in there. Alright, so here goes nothing. Let that drain. I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm looking forward to finding out. Wish I'd left a gap there. I don't know where I came up with this idea. I was sitting at my computer last night thinking about it, and it just popped into my head. So I will let these drain. Actually, I will grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and help the color right out. If I need some more, there's a little tiny bit left there. Put that in there. Grab my blow dryer and see what happens. Here goes nothing. Saved a little bit more, so I could have done something with this spot here. I'm not super impressed, but I think that I'm going to keep playing because I can. And do that again. And I want a little bit more. Come on, off you come. So that's kind of cool. I'd like to be able to make cell activator out of another color. When I was thinking about this, I was contemplating, adding an edge of greens and lines, but I like the black. Very dramatic. Nothing's going to keep me from wanting to play. This is my favorite area here. So I'm going to give myself some more of that option. And see what happens. Come on! It's not turning off for me the way it should. I'm going to grab some real orange. Continue on filling in my circle a little bit with colors I love. Then I'll figure out the outside edge. I definitely am inclined to do something with the outside edge. I'm just about to run out of this color. And I need to use that orange again. The orange worked well. And I put it down right there. Whole different ball game. Now if I want the green I was talking about, it's time to add it, but I'm not sure about it. Let's just, oh, Floetrol. Floetrol alert. Let's grab a little bit of, I like the emerald green with this very much. That is too much white in that spot for me. I'm not sure about the green. But I think if I was going to do it again, I'd do it on this other side. And this time I might be daring enough to put a little bit of the Amsterdam black right there. Ready to go and see what happens. I might also want to put some purple in there. Let that travel right over the edge. I definitely like it better with the purple in, and I think I'm going to like it better with some turquoise also. I meant the Amsterdam black. You knew that. Who knows what this is going to be like. It's definitely my experiment. More Amsterdam black. And maybe a drop of the electric blue. This white spot will probably go away tomorrow, but today I need it gone. So this is this is interesting. Just gonna keep putting all my colors in there. Why not, after all? I am kind of having fun composing, to tell you the truth. I'm not sure if anything's going to go around the middle. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the edges either, to tell you the truth. Excuse me. But I can't take forever deciding. And I think that might be enough. We'll see. And if I like it, I'll be done. And if I don't, I'll do something else. And I'm fairly shaking. This is making me so nervous. It's just not my thing. And I want to play. I could put blooms inside. Oh, I've got 2 minutes. And it's going to be noisy, so I might not get through this. All the way through this. Let's go for it. Gotta remember to get my bottles out of the way. Try not to make flop. I think a little more over here and that would work. So there's over 93,000 of you subscribed at this moment, and I'm glad you're here. Thank you for being here. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. I'm not sure about adding the black, and that's kind of a waste of some of that paint, to tell you the truth, but I keep trying to push it the wrong way. So I'm pretty sure that this is Priscilla Batzell at Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying, that was interesting. And I kind of don't hate it. And I might love it tomorrow. They dry differently. They really do dry nicely. I've got 1 minute left to tell you that there's a monthly drawing, and it's one of the ways that the studio continues to make videos. And if you'd like to help support the production of videos, then look for the PayPal or Patreon icons and make a donation on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And you can see the drawing prizes on the exhibition video that's on the end screen of every video. If you're interested, we'd love to have you in the drawing. There's never more than 15 people or so. I don't know why I keep pushing that the wrong way. So I'm not sure if there's going to be a part 2 or not. But this is kind of cool. I'm not sure about the center either. I'm really inclined to just add a line of pink or something around the whole interior. Maybe it should be black. Love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of